Introduction to electronic manufacturing. Electronic manufacturing is the process of producing electronic components, devices, and systems used in various applications such as consumer electronics, telecommunications, automotive, aerospace, and many others. It involves the design, assembly, testing, and packaging of electronic products. Key concepts. Electronic components. Electronic manufacturing involves working with various components such as resistors, capacitors, integrated circuits, transistors, diodes, connectors, and more. These components are the building blocks used to create electronic circuits. Printed circuit boards, PCBs. PCBs are essential in electronic manufacturing. They provide a platform for mounting and interconnecting electronic components. PCBs consist of layers of conductive pathways and insulating materials, allowing for efficient electrical connections. Assembly processes. Electronic components are assembled onto PCBs through automated or manual processes. Surface mount technology, SMT, is commonly used, where components are placed on the PCB's surface and soldered using solder paste and reflow ovens. Through-hole technology, THT, involves inserting leads of components through holes on the PCB and soldering them on the other side. Testing and quality control. Electronic products undergo rigorous testing to ensure functionality, reliability, and adherence to quality standards. Testing may involve functional testing, electrical testing, environmental testing, e.g., temperature, humidity, and other specialized tests. Quality control measures are implemented throughout the manufacturing process to identify and rectify any defects or deviations. Packaging and finalization. After assembly and testing, electronic products go through packaging and finalization processes. This includes enclosure assembly, labeling, and adding user manuals or documentation. Packaging ensures the protection, aesthetics, and usability of the final product. Supply chain management. Electronic manufacturing involves managing the supply chain, which includes sourcing and procuring components, tracking inventory, managing suppliers, and ensuring timely delivery of materials. Effective supply chain management is crucial for smooth manufacturing operations. Technological advancements. The electronic manufacturing industry continuously evolves with advancements in technology. Miniaturization, automation, the Internet of Things, IoT, artificial intelligence, and robotics are just a few examples of emerging trends impacting electronic manufacturing processes. Compliance and regulations. Electronic manufacturing is subject to various regulations and standards to ensure product safety, quality, and environmental sustainability. Compliance with regulations such as restriction of hazardous substances, RoHS, and waste electrical and electronic equipment, WEEE, directives is essential. Electronic manufacturing plays a vital role in meeting the increasing demand for electronic devices in various sectors. Understanding the fundamentals of electronic manufacturing is crucial for professionals involved in design, production, quality control, and supply chain management within the industry.